Now, today I got a real cool device to show you. Check this out. It's LED, has the on control. I can control it from here. It's perfect for inspections. Let me present it to you. An endoscope. Listen, if it happened to you that you need to look inside engine or something hiding between the engine, or maybe you want to look into a boiler, or if you're into electronics, you want to do an inspection in some cabinet that's real hard to get. Even with the flashlight, it's at the back, or maybe lose a screw or something you need to see. Or even do any type of inspection, see inside the birdhouse or whatever you want. For piping, now these are the devices that you need. I mean, this is a 16-foot long, semi-rigid, waterproof. So if you need to look for any piping or anything, maybe they got cloud in the pipe and you want to know what's going on, why the water's not going through, well, you can use one of these devices. What I like about this is wireless. And if you see, let me see, I don't have that there, but here you see the camera moving. So it's connected right now with my phone. I download the application. And it's very simple to use. One button, you control the lighting. You turn it off, turn it on, and take a picture. From the back, you charge it. And once again, semi-rigid. Let me change camera, and I show you all the things we get in the package. So first, what we get. First, what we get is the back. A simple manual, not much to say. Just download the application. It's called Wi-Fi lock. I already did. And the parts. You get here. This is a magnetic part. A cable to charge. A hook if you want to bring something to you, and a little mirror. In the mirror effect, it's actually this recording. Let me stop recording right there. And the mirror effect. So if I put this here, let me unlock it. They said this is here. So if you see my hand, see, oh, right there. Okay. So you see? So whatever reflects from the top, the camera will see it. If you need to look on something, you need to go this way, and something needs to look into the top. The nice thing too, let's say you want to check an AC unit or anything else, you get this. You put this here. Now it becomes more rigid because. So we open, we lock it, right? And now you can go through and inspect it anywhere you want it, maybe behind a boiler or something. Now the application allows you to take a picture, allow you to record. Pretty simple application. What you need to create a local Wi-Fi called Wi-Fi lock, and then you connect to the Wi-Fi lock, and then you open the application. Let me go back and we can see the configuration, and here you can configure the graphical. Now here is 640 by 480. Every time you exit, by the way, you need to reset the resolution. So I'm going to do 1200, 1600 by 1200. That's set back. If I do any change, it will change. So check this out. I mean, this thing has super zoom. Look this. I'm looking at text and look how big. Now you have to be aware they have an automatic zoom. Eventually it will get blurry if you get too close. So it's about maybe inch and a half, about inch and a half or 2 inches. You get the optimal graphical. And if as far you go, it will go good. And if you get too far, it get blurry. Remember, this is meant to something that is real close to inspect. Now we see it right there. Now, my case, since here we do a lot of testing electronic devices, boxes, and we do a lot of repair and all kind of technology. So we use this to inspect, or to look inside the computer. It's good to catch up serial numbers or anything. It's small chips. So you need to look and inspect it as maybe a solder joint, or get information. Like this case, you get information of the chip. See? So that's really good. So you can use it for both things. You can use it to look into pipe or anything you want to hide in the dark. You can not see what's going on up there. Or you can use it to do an inspection, or to get serial numbers, so part number is in a chip or anything else. And nice little device. Can become real handy even for repair. I guess if you're going to do an engine, make sure the engine is cold. I mean, it doesn't say anything, but this is plastic, so if you try to put an engine this, I will think you melt it. So what do you think? I think it's a pretty cool device. I mean, if you're a tech guy like me, I love tech, so I love gadgets. So whatever gadget we can get, we keep it, and you never know when you really need it, you know. It's plus if you are into the testing electronics, you need it. But definitely it's a good little device, and for the price too, I thought it's pretty affordable, and what you can get out of this, and if you're a tech guy. All right, so with this we complete the tutorial. For more information, check the link below. Thank you.